Hi. So I wanted to take you through the sales dashboard so you could see how everything works. It is pretty self-explanatory and pretty straightforward, and that should be quite easy to navigate. So at the top, you can select what date range you want to view your sales dashboard on. So there's today, yesterday, this month, last month, this year, last year, or all time, lifetime there. And as you can see, when we select this month, it updates the custom display there, and you can always click in there if you wanted to set something more specific. Now you can see that our revenue is £208, we have profit, we've sold 3 units, our average ROI is 290%, and that we have an in-stock value of £181. We have £181 worth of stock. Just below that, there is a tax snapshot that gives you visibility of, based on current information, what your tax is potentially likely to be. You can see revenue over time, and we've color-coded these based on the marketplaces you've sold on. So eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Vinted have their brand colors. And then also you can see your top 10 products by profit for the time range that you've put in. So here for this month, these are the top 3 items I've sold by profit. Secondly, I just wanted to quickly show you the billing page. This should be straightforward. So this account is on the standard Stokroom at £5 a month, and that is a 13-day free trial. If you want to update or cancel your subscription, you can do that easily. If you have any further questions, feel free to raise a support ticket and I can walk that through with you.